Hi, it's time for our Thursday's drop-in craft, and today we are making a design out of tape and paper. It looks kind of like a mosaic when you use mosaic tiles. And what we need for this is some kind of paper. You could use a paper plate, you could use anything. Removable tape. This is painter's tape that comes off of the wall when you paint, and it's going to come off of my paper. You can use crayons, markers, anything you have in the house. And I took a scissor so I could cut my tape. So here's my piece of paper that I got. And I'm going to cut some strips of tape and just kind of, I'm going to take it off of here so you can see what I'm doing. Just kind of make a design throughout the paper. So you leave white spaces, and what's going to happen is you're going to color in the white spaces. It's kind of like reverse, and whatever's under the tape is going to stay white, and everything else is going to have color. I'm just gonna make a couple more. Okay, so here's what mine with tape looks like. I'm going to take my dipping dots that I love to do all the time. I'm going to put something underneath my paper so it doesn't get all over. And then I'm going to just color the white parts that are all over. It's not going to matter if you get it onto your blue tape, because that tape is going to come off of your picture. I put as much color into it. It's going to look like a stained glass a little. There's a very famous artist that does a lot of work like this, and his name is Montville. And if you look him up, a lot of his work looks like this. I fill in my whole paper. This is the orange. Get some orange in there. It up. I have my whole piece of paper done, and I'm going to slowly, start taking the tape off. And look, the white remains underneath the tape. Since this is removable tape, it comes off very easily. You want to maybe do this in like a heavier kind of paper. And there you go. There's our white spaces that the tape was over, and our colors were in between that. You know what would be fun? You could take this tape, or any kind of tape, thicker tape, and you can go outside to your driveway with chalk, and you can do the same thing on your driveway if you want. That's today's program. I will see everyone next week. Bye.